Hello, my name is Maria Johnsen. In today's video, I would like to discuss about the unique value of human art. In our digital age, AI has found its way into many parts of our lives, including art. AI-generated images and artworks are becoming more common, leading to question about what creativity really means and whether human-made art is more valuable than machine-made art. Although AI can create beautiful pieces, the unique qualities and emotional depth found in human art remain unmatched. Here is why human art holds a special place in our hearts and why AI generated images often don't measure up. There is nothing creative about it. It's a machine. You don't tell Java programming tool, oh, good boy, nice programming. It's a programmer who program using Java programming language or PHP. Human created art often expresses the artistic emotions, thoughts, and experiences. This personal touch gives the artwork a depth that deeply resonates with viewers. When we admire a painting, a sculpture, or piece of music, we appreciate not only the final product, but also the emotional journey of the artist. This journey, full of struggles and triumphs, reflects human life. AI, however, cannot experience emotions or have personal stories. It can mimic styles and patterns, but cannot infuse its creations with real emotional depth or intent. A key feature of human art is its imperfection. These imperfections, like slight variations in brush strokes or unexpected color choices, add authenticity and individuality to the artwork. These unique touches make each piece personal and distinct. AI generated art tends to be too perfect and uniform, often lacking the character and authenticity that come from human imperfection. This authenticity is something AI cannot replicate. Creating art is a process that often requires years of practice, dedication, and a skill development. The time and effort that human artists put into their work adds significant value. Handcrafted items, whether paintings, sculptures, book covers, or even furniture, are often more highly valued than mass-produced ones. Knowing that an artist has carefully crafted something by hand evokes a sense of admiration and respect. An editor using VFX, editing a film through Adobe After Effects, and uses a tool, AI tool within that tool, that VFX artist job is admirable. That's admirable because he puts his creativity, emotion to convey the emotional impact of that scene, of course, with collaboration with the writer and film director, along with producer of the film. You see, human art is closely connected to cultural, social, and historical contexts. It reflects the society and time in which it was created, providing insights into cultural values, struggles, and achievements. Famous artworks often have rich stories and histories that AI generated art lacks. While AI can be programmed to create in certain styles or mimic a specific historical periods, it does so without truly understanding the cultural and historical nuances that human artists bring to their work. That is why, as a book writer and author, when you use your own creativity or hire a graphic designer to design a beautiful, relevant cover for your book, it increases the value of the book. Instead of using AI tool, image generated AI picture to put it in the book, because right now there are a lot of hypes online and in social media platforms about AI generated tools and imageries. There are just a bunch of hypes and politics. There are sales stuff. There are promotional stuff. And those people who have a large likes and comments, they're using tools. This is how they make those posts go viral on social media and other platforms. Because those people who create those AI tools to generate images, they're spending millions of US dollars and British pounds or euro for marketing. So the common knowledge about AI generated tools is that, oh wow, this guy with zero knowledge in art, painting, photography, and in such nature, he generates something like Van Gogh or Paul Cézanne's painting and call it, oh look, I created this using AI. You don't created it. You mimicked the art of Van Gogh or Paul Cézanne or Leonardo da Vinci. That's not art. That's a mimic of art. And it has zero value. The value is not given to you, but the value is given to the tool that a programmer, artificial intelligence engineer. Authenticity and originality play an important role in this matter. A big part of the debate around AI generated art is about authenticity and originality. AI creates by combining existing data, often pulling from large data set of human-made art. This raises the question of whether AI can truly create original work, or if it is just remixing existing ideas. Human artists draw from their personal experiences, cultural backgrounds, and unique perspectives to create something genuinely original. That imperfection makes it look perfect. This originality and authenticity are areas where AI falls short. So the rise of AI generated art also has practical implications, especially for human artists' livelihoods. When ChatGPT came to the market and became available to public, everybody became author, writer. They just put the prompt into the ChatGPT and ChatGPT writes a story for them. That's not art. That's not originality and creativity. This is why on Amazon and many blogging platforms, they do not like AI generated content. And believe me, mark my words, in very near future, all these AI generated imageries and content will be penalized by search engines. They have already started them. They have already implemented into algorithms about AI generated content and imageries. Supporting human artists is crucial for maintaining the diversity and reaches of the arts world and writing world, art and literature, and of course, filmmaking, acting, performance. Why do you think that in Hollywood and many actors, Hollywood actors around, not just in the United States of America, in Europe, they demonstrated against using AI as a performer, an actor? Why did they do that? Because it's not original. It's a machine made. While AI generated art can be visually impressive and useful for human creativity, it lacks the unique quality found in human created art. The emotional depth, authenticity, skill, and cultural context in human art are irreplaceable aspects that AI cannot replicate. That's all, folks. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, have a lovely day. Bye.